before you keep watching this video, or before you watch this video till the very end, please remember that appointments to study or appointments for visa application at the Czech Republic Embassy in Nigeria or at the Czech Embassy in Abuja, it's very competitive and very tedious this time around. I do not know what is wrong in the appointment system or what is going on, but please, if you listen to me, make sure you watch this video. The reason why I'm giving the video is because this school is affordable. Apply to the school with the intention that if you get admission, you will also get admissions to other places. So apply to this school and apply to other places. In case you get admission and you are not able to get a visa, you can now switch to the other countries because the tuition fee here is very affordable and cheap. Now let's go to the complete video. Hope you are doing very well. Okay, today I want to talk about a college, not a college by the way, a university which is located in Europe. And if you are looking for a cheap and affordable country to study in Europe, please make sure you listen to this video, then you apply for a program in this particular university. Now, before I proceed, my name is Milton Fonkwa and I'm equally a Cameroonian in the Netherlands. If you want to study in Europe for just 13,000 CFA francs or for just 20 euros or for 20 euros to 3,300 euros, because the tuition fee in this particular university range from 20 euros to 3,000 euros. So if you are looking for a school in Europe which you can pay just 20 euros, like there are programs that charge just 20 euros, that's what I mean, then you should listen to this video till the very end, then you apply for a program, right? Now, one thing you should understand is that for you to study in any country in Europe, you need requirements. What are some of the requirements that you need? You need your high school documents, which are basically your YX certificate. I'm still going to make another video which is going to be different from this one, right? Now, why is it going to be different from this one? Because you will need more than your YX certificate to apply to that particular country. But this particular university in Europe, you are going to apply using just your YX certificate or your O-levels and A-levels. Again, just your high school qualifications. Now, this is what you need to know. Like I said, you just need about 20 euros or 3,300 euros. That's the tuition range from 20 euros to 3,300 euros. Now, to those who don't understand, look, you see, the weather out here is so funny today, but I'm still here struggling to put out material because I want you to relocate abroad this year. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos so you actually understand. Now, let's go. Let's not waste a lot of time in this particular university. Now, remember, this tuition I'm talking about, it varies from country, let me say from faculty to faculty, not from country to country, but faculty to faculty. And there are 8 faculties in this particular university. You can study a bachelor's program, a master's program, or a PhD program in this particular university in English. Now, there is only one bachelor's degree program in this university in English language. And let me see what's the name of the program. The name of the program is called Biological Chemistry. And Biological Chemistry is 500 Czech crown, and which is equivalent to 12,900 CFA francs Cameroon money, and also 20.86 US dollars. So that's the money you are going to pay per year if you want to study a bachelor's program in biological chemistry at Czech Republic. Okay, this school is located in Czech Republic, and the name of the school is called University of South Bohemia. Yes, if you take materials from me, do your own research, then you apply. But remember, the material I'm giving to you, I have done my research already, and I know what I'm saying is correct. So that's why I'm bringing it here to you. Now, remember I said you can apply for master's, bachelor's, and PhD. Most PhD programs in this school charge from let me say 20 euros or $20, like I said, but the tuition range from 20 to 3,300 euros. So it depends on the program you want to check. Some are in Czech language, others are in English. So those that are in English, you can apply for them. Of course, I have checked already, and they have some few programs. There are 8 faculties in this university, and for you to apply for masters, you need your bachelor's degree transcript and the certificate alongside your high school documents. Then for you to apply for PhD, you also need what we call your master's degree certificate and your bachelor's degree certificate as well. Now, 8 faculties include the Faculty of Economics, faculty number 1. Faculty number 2 include the Faculty of Education. Faculty number 3 is the Faculty of Fisheries and Protection of Water. Faculty number 4 is Faculty of Arts. We have Faculty of Science, Faculty of Theology, Faculty of Agriculture, and Faculty of Health and Social Sciences. Now, like I said, the only program in English language in this particular university is called Biological Chemistry, which is 3 years program. So if you want to study anything related to chemistry, biology, or anything in between, check this university, check the programs available. You are going to see exactly what I told you. Then you apply for a program. I am currently in the Netherlands, so for those who want to study in the Netherlands, admissions is open already, and the Netherlands is not that cheap. You have to provide your blocked account, guys, so do not forget that. Now, remember, out of these 8 faculties I mentioned, they have between 40 to 45 programs that are taught in English, including those for bachelor's, master's, and PhD. And also, you have things like functional genetics and bioinformatics, which is a free program. Yes, you heard me right. This program is an MSc program, and it is actually free of charge, so you are not going to pay anything. The name of the program is called Functional Genetics and Bioinformatics. Go to the school website. I'm going to drop the details below. You check the requirements. Then if you meet the requirements, you apply for a program. I have given you all the details that you need, and I believe that if you pay attention to those details, you are going to study here in the Czech Republic. I am not currently in the Czech Republic, by the way, but I am in the Netherlands, right? So that is what you need to know. If there is any other detail, I'm going to explain to you. There are other universities in the Czech Republic, which include Thomas Bauta University, Masaryk University, Czech University of Life Sciences. Then there is also the University of Pardubice. Now, to those of you who want to study, I'm running away from the wind, guys. The wind is so heavy out here. But again, I must put out this content for you to consume. Those who want to study chemistry, everything engineering, please make sure you check the University of Pardubice. They do have a couple of programs in engineering, but also understand that they are not as cheap as this University of South Bohemia. I hope you understand everything I said. When you go to the website and you realize that a program is asking for 500 Czech crown, which is CZK, just convert it to US dollars, you are going to see 20.86 euro or something closer to $21. Then if you convert to CFA francs, it's almost 13,000 CFA francs. So if you are lucky, you apply for the program. But remember, you need to also check when the application is starting and when the application is going to close. This is the time for admissions. So please, if you have some time, check the school website properly, then you begin the job. I hope I've done my part, so I now expect you to do your part so that we meet in Czech Republic whenever I visit, because of course, I'm going to visit Czech Republic very, very soon. If you are looking at programs like zoology, if you want to do anything agriculture, if you want to do anything project management or anything like fisheries and protection, check this university, University of South Bohemia. Now, if you want to book a call with me, you need a one-on-one call with me, please check the video description box and book a call. If you don't see most of my videos, go to my YouTube channel, scroll my channel, check my Facebook pages, check my TikTok and Instagram. I also drop study abroad content there. I will always try my best to drop materials here for you. And I hope that you move this year and join us in Europe. Now, in another video, I'm going to talk to you about some information you need to know on how to study in Ireland, information on how to study in Iceland. But be rest assured that this is the time for you to apply for universities abroad, because right now most schools are open, and if you pay attention to details, you are going to join us here in Europe next year. I hope this video helps you. We are going to meet again in another one. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel because it's so important to us. Okay guys, so let me quickly talk about this in this video. I really don't have time, but I would say it. Many of you are asking me, hey Milton, I want to study abroad. I do not know the requirements that I need to study abroad. Now, these are the details I'm going to give you here in case you actually want to move abroad in 2025. Please listen to me. I'm going to drop a longer version of this video on YouTube. So make sure you go to YouTube, watch the video, then you make a decision. Now, to study abroad, it depends on what you want to study, the country you want to go to, and what you want to apply for. These three things will determine your requirements. One, what you want to study. Some programs, for example, you may need certain documents to apply for mechanical engineering, and you may need certain requirements to apply for history. For mechanical engineering, they may say that you need physics, biology, mathematics, but for history, they may say that any subject is okay. Now, it also depends on the country. Some countries may say that, okay, if you want to study a bachelor's program, we need just 4 A-level papers from you. Meanwhile, others will say that if you want to study a bachelor's program, we need 5 A-level papers. It happens like that. Also, it also depends on so many other factors, but there are usually basic requirements that you need in order to study abroad. You get my point. What is the basic requirements? For bachelor's degree, you need basically your high school certificate, which is for Cameroonians is O levels, A levels, at least a pass, 2 papers, good grades, and 4 papers or 5 papers. What's the pass mark in Cameroon? Is it 4 or 5? 5 papers, advanced level. Now, also understand that if you want to study a master's, you basically need your bachelor's degree certificate and of course your high school documents. Some schools or countries will say, we want to see your high school documents, while others will not ask for it. So put this into consideration. Another option is English proficiency. A country like Cameroon, some countries will demand for IELTS. Others schools will not demand for IELTS from Cameroon. So it just depends on the procedure. Now, remember, you must meet basic requirements to apply for bachelor's degree programs, which is because I see most people, they will be like, Milton, I have just O levels. No, for Cameroon, what qualifies you to go into university is a high school certificate, which is advanced level. Okay, other nationalities like Nigerians and Ghanaians and other people from around the world, they also have requirements. Why am I making this video? Before you apply to any program in any university, make sure you verify the requirements of that particular program. Don't just see a program, you run to the website and start applying. No. Check requirements first. Sometimes you will even see application fee you have to pay. You may see motivation letters you have to add and so many other things, right? So make sure you follow due procedure, requirements to apply.